Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of t where t square minus t cube is equal to 576, okay, or t square minus t cube. Taking this 576 to left side, we will get negative 576 is equal to 0, or t square minus t cube minus 576 can be written as 512 and minus 64 is equal to 0. Or now rearranging left sides, we can write here t square minus 64, and taking common negative 1 to this two term, we will get negative 1 times t cube plus 512 is equal to 0, okay. Or now we can write t square minus 64 can be written as 8 square minus 1 times t cube plus 512 can be written as 8 cube is equal to 0. Now here we can use two algebraic equations. We know a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b, and a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b times a square plus a square minus ab plus b square. Now apply this to rule, we can write t plus 8 times t minus 8 minus 1 times t plus 8 times a square, that means t square, minus ab, that means t times 8, 8t, plus b square, that means 8 square, that means 64 is equal to 0. Now taking common t plus 8, we will get t minus 8 minus 1 times t square minus 8t plus 64 is equal to 0, or t plus 8 times t minus 8 minus t square plus 8t minus 64 is equal to 0. Or t plus 8 times minus t square plus 8t plus t is plus 9t, minus 8 minus 64 is minus 72 is equal to 0. Now from here we have two solutions, so we can write here t plus 8 is equal to 0 and minus t square plus 9t minus 72 is equal to 0. Or taking this positive 8 to right side, we will get t is equal to negative 8. So the first value of t1 is equal to negative 8. Now from here, multiplying both sides by negative 1, we can write t square minus 9t plus 72 is equal to 0. Now here we can use quadratic formula, so we can write t is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over twice a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 9 and c is equal to 72. Or t is equal to minus b is equal to minus 9, so we can write here minus 9 plus or minus square root of b square, that means minus 9 square minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 72 over 2 times a, that means 2 times 1. Or t is equal to minus times minus is plus, 9 plus or minus square root of minus 9 square is 81 minus 4 times 1 times 72 is 288 over 2 times 1 is 2, or t is equal to 9 plus or minus square root of 81 minus 288 is minus 207 with 2 over 2, or t is equal to 9 plus or minus, now here we can write 207 times negative 1 over 2. So finally the value of t is equal to 9 plus or minus square root of 207 I over 2, and these two values are complex value. Okay, now check. Our equation is t square minus t cube is equal to 576. Here left hand side is equal to t square minus t cube. Here t is equal to negative 8, so we can write here negative 8 square minus negative 8 cube is equal to negative 8 square. That means we know 64 minus negative 8 cube is minus 512 is equal to 64 minus is plus 512 is equal to 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, and this 5 is equal to right hand side. So this is proved. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.